Hey, Chachi! Looking good! Where'd you get the cool new sweater?
It came in the mail. It's from Shakabrah. He made it to keep Chachi warm when he visits Shaka in Icealaska.
That Shakabrah's a great friend, isn't he? Ch-ch-ch-choo!
Cha-cha-cha-choo?
No! Ha-choo! I can't... Achoo! Stop sneezing!
Uh-oh. I hope you're not coming down with a cold.
Wait right here. This sounds like a job for Doctor Sheree. I'll check your vital signs.
Oh.
Follow my finger with your eyes. Uh-huh. Whoa! Well, aside from the fact that your eyeballs aren't supposed to be able to do that, I can't find anything wrong with you.
Then why is he covered in all those red dots?
Huh? Oh, they're itchy, too.
What do you think, Doctor Sheree?
I think we may need a real doctor.
Wait! This happened to a cousin of mine. It turned out he had developed an allergy to dogs.
Achoo! How can we be sure? Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
I think we can be sure.
But if Julius is allergic, doesn't that mean that Chachi has to live somewhere else?
No! He already did live somewhere else. Now he lives here.
It's okay, Ping. Julius always comes up with inventions to help us out. He'll figure something out.
He's right, Julius. If anyone can solve this problem, you can.
All right, I'll try. To the invention dimension! Dimension! Dimension!
Gesundheit!
Presenting the BowWow Bubble! We just put Chachi inside. And now he can still move around and play without making me sneeze.
Oh no! Chachi!
Oh no!
Come back!
Yay!
Hooray! He likes it! Julius, you did it!
Go, Chachi! Go, Chachi!
Whoa!
Uh-oh. Worry Bear?
Are you okay?
Are you okay, Worry Bear?
Oh yeah, I'm just glad Chachi's having fun.
Hey, where is Chachi?
Chachi! Come here, Chachi!
Chachi! Here, here. Uh-huh. Just as I thought. This ball pit has a case of Chachis. Oh, does Chachi need a huggy wug? Oh, look how sad he is. I'm sorry I can't hug you when you're in the BowWow Bubble, Chachi.
I never thought of that. Maybe the BowWow Bubble isn't such a great idea after all.
Okay, Chachi, you stay right here while we figure this out.
I know! Maybe Julius could live in the bubble instead.
I don't think it's big enough. Plus, Julius likes hugs too.
Maybe Julius could try really, really hard not to be allergic? It doesn't work like that, Ping.
Get him! Watch out!
Are you okay?
Oh.
What's up, Julius? Want me to shove over?
Actually, Shakabrah, I was hoping to talk to you about something.
Whoa. Sounds serious. Ride with me. So, what's up, bro?
It's about Chachi. It turns out I'm allergic to him.
Uh-oh, he can't come back and live with me because it's too cold, even with the sweater I made for him.
Oh no, my friends love Chachi way too much to give him up. I was wondering if I could stay with you.
Sure you can chill with me. Won't your friends miss you?
Yeah, but I can't ask them to choose between me and Chachi.
Hey, you know what you need? Some hot cocoa. Here, this should warm you up and cheer you up, too.
Thanks, Shaka. I miss the box, and all my stuff, and my friends, and Chachi.
I know what'll cheer you up. Let's play a game!
We've got you, Chachi. Oh, can we let him out for a little while? Or will he make Julius sneeze?
Hey, where is Julius? He was here a few minutes ago.
Well, the last time I saw him, we were talking about his allergies.
Oh, no! Oh, we have to find him!
What is it, boy? Can you lead us to Julius?
Okay, lead the way, Chachi!
Oh, good boy.
Hey, I think he found a scent. It's chilly. It's a good thing Chachi's wearing his sweater.
Hey, there's Shakabrah! Shaka! Hey, have you seen Julius?
You bet! But he's hiding.
Oh, no! We've upset him so much that he can't even face us.
He's not hiding from you. He's hiding from me. We're playing hide and seek.
Oh, thank goodness. We really need to talk to him.
Well, you have to help me find him first.
Look! Chachi found footprints.
Ha! This is going to be easy.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Julius is pretty much the grand champion of hide and seek. You know, I mean, next to myself.
Let's split up.
Right.
What is it, boy? Wait a minute. Is that Snowman laughing? Either this snowman has a case of the giggles, or it's... Julius! Julius, we're so sorry for making you feel even worse than you already felt.
We know you can't help being allergic to Chachi.
Please, please, please come back.
We'll find a way to make it work.
Aw, thanks, guys. I guess we can try to find another solution. Anything to be with my best pals. Achoo!
Hold on! I know you don't think you have a cold, but just in case, take this. I made it with the leftover Yakwolf from Chachi's sweater.
Achoo! Achoo!
Maybe Julius isn't allergic to Chachi. Maybe he's allergic to... Yakwolf!
Huh? Achoo!
See?
Achoo! You're right, Sheree.
Take that sweater off, Chachi.
So if Shakabrah just keeps Chachi's sweater here for when he visits, then Julius can come back, and Chachi can stay with us too!
Wait a minute. Does this mean I can't ever have a pet yak?